State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and/or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious preferences. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Whenever you're ready, Ms. Williams Long.
I'm ready. Can you give me focus so I can make sure I'm muting a couple
Are we ready, Ms. Williams Long?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. This is the City of Detroit versus Erica Francis Guido, case number SP 145-08131. Appearance for the record, please.
O.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Guido.
Good morning. May it please the most honorable court, Nicole Casca, P 55470 on behalf of Erica Guido. I am the retained attorney for Ms. Guido. We do consent to having today's hearing conducted by Zoom. Ms. Guido, can you please state your full name for the record? Ms. Guido, you're going to need to unmute in the lower left-hand corner and then speak.
Erica Francis Guido.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. We'll give you another pre-trial day. I need dates, please. Please.
October 20th.
October the 20th.
Yes.
Sounds like October 20th is going to be the next pre-trial day. Is that right?
Yes.
All right, October 20th next week. Yes.
Judge, is it possible, just because that is a bad date for me with being in jury trial, is it possible the following week?
Yeah, I don't see why that's not a problem. October 27th,
Oh, that's perfect. That works out so much better. Thank you, Judge.
8:30 a.m. If it's nothing further, have safe travels back and enjoy your time out there. And Ms. Guido, have the best of luck to you. You're free to leave.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor.
Appreciate all your help. Thank you.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Verdell Tino Levette, case number SP 142-76201. State your name for the record, Mr. Levette.
Verdell Lovett.
Levette. Today is the date and time set for a review. How long when you want to come back with this rest of this money?
Any time after the first, Your Honor, it'll be okay.
Come back on the 5th.
Okay.
Review 9/5 at 8:30. 8:25. You got here 8:25. You were the first one. I didn't call you first because the lawyer had to get out of there.
That's
All right.
okay.
Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank
Good morning, Mr. Warbling. Good morning to Mr. Clayton, who's your client?
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Gary Lewis.
Is he here?
I don't see him on the roster. I did just try and give him a call. But I don't see him on the participant list yet. Yes, if we could.
City of Detroit versus Gary Alexander Lewis, case number U66310223. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Spencer Clayton appearing on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Your Honor, today is the date and time set for pretrial. I'd ask the court to allow me to waive his presence for the purpose of today's hearing.
All right, I'll grant that motion to waive his presence.
Your Honor, at this time, we'd just be asking this matter be set for bench trial.
We'll set it for a bench trial, and that date will be October 20th
Thank you.
at 9 a.m. All right, have a great day, counsel.
You too, Your Honor. Thanks.
City of Detroit. Versus Dwayne D'Angelo Osley, case number SP 108-60771, SP 108-60791, SP 1305900, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1423854, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 14289, counts 1, 2, and 3. Two zero four 8888881, 204-888-8891. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Gray Jr., P28880, on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Owsley.
Is he here? Doesn't look
Aye.
like it.
Doesn't look like it.
He was here earlier. I don't know what happened.
Is it the gentleman on the iPhone?
It's on the iPhone.
Right here.
Yeah, there he is. There he is. State your name, Mr. Austin.
Dwayne Osley.
All right. Today is a date and time set for free trial. I've already given you an opportunity to pay the reinstatement fee up front. I mean, to pay that $252, $258 to get a license. It doesn't appear that you've done that. I don't know what more we can do for you, set a trial date or get you an offer.
Basically, like, I get paid every 2 weeks. That's why I haven't paid. I get paid every 2 weeks, and I like try to pay it, try to get a loan from the job, whatever, try to pay it, whatever. But it's still like it ain't working.
Well, you're a young man, right?
Huh?
You're a young man, aren't you?
Yeah. I've been trying to do
Able
side.
body?
I've been
Able body?
Huh?
Able body?
April body.
Yeah.
What you mean?
You got all your health. You don't have any disability or anything, right?
I don't got all my health. I just got hit in a car accident, man. I don't got all my health. My real person right now as we talk, I got asthma. And I'm wheezing right now as I'm talking to you.
So you can't get another job, is what I'm saying?
I've been doing like side little jobs, trying to get the money to pay it.
All right, well, we'll set a trial date. You have, October 20th, unless you just want to offer today. What do you want to do?
So what is gonna be at? What is gonna be like?
We'll wait until,
Can you push?
Pardon me?
Can you push it to another like not August? You push it like
I'm gonna set a trial date for October 20th. And you'll have, that time to take care of what you need to take care of. And then we'll have some resolution on that date anyway. October 20th, come on back and,
that's 3 days from now. That's basically
October 20th is 2 months from now.
Oh, okay. I'm tripping. Okay. Thank you.
All right.
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Yeah.
City of Detroit versus Latoya Marie Lavender, case number SP 146-92941. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Miss, could you state your name for the record, please? Miss Lavender?
Have to unmute your device, ma'am.
Yes, Latoya Marie Lavender.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. This is one of those tickets that I despise. 12-month delay, $240 fine, absolute right to a trial, gun safety course. Put her in the breakout room, speak to Mr. Warbling, and let us know what you want to do. Join the room, please. Is this Michael Jerome Lyman Jr.?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Hey, how you doing today?
City of Detroit versus Michael Jerome Lyman Jr. Case number SP 1421958, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1423072, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lyman.
Michael Lyman Jr.
I don't see him on the docket either. Hey, tomorrow morning.
Oh, I got notice in the mail saying today. That's why I showed up. But
What, you got a valid license, registration, and insurance, sir?
I got my license together. I got the insurance last night. I'm waiting 2 to 3 business days. I got cured. It's my first time using it. So it said 2 to 3 business days. I got the receipt here to get the stuff I gotta take to Secretary of State.
You should be able to go to Secretary of State now, if you got it.
Yeah, so it just got the receipt, but it don't say nothing about like the policy I got or nothing. It just say you got your receipt and it got the
give you an
policy.
online thing to look at the policy.
Yeah, I looked at that too. It just give me the policy number and the transaction number and how much it costs and everything.
Now, you must not have paid them yet.
I paid him $500.
I would think that that would have automatic policy right then and there.
I can give him a call.
Call them and try to get that. Come back tomorrow morning. If you get it, I'll just told you I dismissed these tickets if you have all that information.
Copy that.
All right. Have a great day, sir. I'll see you back in the morning. First thing.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Have a great day.
You as well.
Thank you.
O'Neal, Oneal.
Good morning.
Good morning. Is that the correct spelling?
Yes.
And
Bridget
Bridget,
O'Neal?
BRIDGT.
Yes.
Annette?
Antoinette?
Antoinette. Sorry.
That's okay.
And why are you here?
I had a ticket, a court date for the 17th. I don't know what this means, but it was for a ticket, SP 141-61341.
141-61341?
Yes. It said proceeding show cause, so I don't know. But I was just in court on the 3rd, Your Honor. You dismissed.
Have a good day, ma'am. It's closed, dismissed.
Okay, thank you. Have a great one.
You owe 210 to the court, though. for
Yes,
blocking
what? For blocking traffic. And what day was that ticket, Your Honor?
That was a long time ago.
Okay, I'll
Let me
take
see.
care of it. Can I have that
Yeah.
ticket number so I can go in and pay it at a kiosk or at the counter? Do you have that ticket number?
I
If
can give it
possible.
to you, but you know, you shouldn't need it. Just put your name in.
Okay.
SP 454-8961. SP 454-8961.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, man.
You as well.
Lakey,
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna mess the first name up.
Cheyenne.
Diane. All right. Good morning to you. This is City of Detroit versus Cheyenne Lakey, case number SP 143-25131, SP 143-3167, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 147-2565, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 147-2625, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lakey.
Cheyenne Lakey.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What did we have conversation last time about, Ms. Lakey?
You were asking if I was able to get the insurance.
Did you get it?
No, because they won't lower it from $650 for me, and I know I'm not able to pay that every month. But I've been talking to an independent agency, well, insurance agency, and they're helping me lower it so I'm able to pay it, and it's affordable for me.
Are you the one that car back and everything?
No.
Oh, well, set a trial date. You can come back with Mr. Who's the? Who's the gentleman that didn't want to work? You come back on the 20th and see what happens. You can speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room if you want to.
Okay, that's fine.
Who do you want? Do you want to speak to Mr. Berry?
Yes, I read this to Mr. Berry.
Lemonade.
Join the room, please. Paper up there too. Mine. I'll get it when I leave. So they can stop. Week.
So you need week.
Mr. Leak,
Yes.
morning to you. I don't see you on the docket either. Everybody's coming. What is your, let's see,
I had court the 15th.
you're supposed to be here on the 15th.
Yeah, I came on the 15th. And you told me to come back on Thursday to show you proof of the registration. Because I had to go to the Secretary of State and get the registration.
Insurance and registration and a license?
Yes.
Run his license, please. Let's see what you have.
I have the registration.
Okay, slide that over a little bit. All
They
right,
changed.
let's see. Yeah, I see that. See the insurance.
The insurance is right here.
Back it up. Slide it over to your left, right. You're right. Yeah. Okay,
Didn't have my other driving license.
I don't need to see that. I'm gonna check. That might not be the work the plastic is printed on there.
No, you remember
All
the last time.
Oh, it's not worth the plastic is printed on.
Say it again.
It's not worth the plastic is printed on.
My plastic. What you mean?
It's not any good.
What's not good?
The license.
Right, I'm supposed to go back today and pay the reinstatement fee. But the other day I had to come back. When I came to court to you on the 15th.
When are you gonna have a valid license?
I'm going up there today at 1:30.
Tomorrow you have a valid license?
Yes. I'm doing the reinstatement.
Come back tomorrow morning.
I think it's just with my job. Oh, okay.
I mean, you say, what about your job?
I say because I don't have no vacation. That's the only problem. I just use my
No,
last
it's not
vacation.
about vacation. Just zoom in right from your job.
Yeah, I see. My job, they so strict, they won't let me do nothing, but I see if I can.
Well, when will you have another day off?
It's just the weekend, but I can come in tomorrow morning.
If you just come in, as soon as you get here, I'll run the license. If it's good, I've seen all the other stuff. I'll let you go.
Okay.
I don't want you to miss work. That's why I'll accommodate you if I can.
No, it's good. It's okay. I'm gonna just tell them I need another come in late. That's okay.
What time do you have to go to work, sir?
It's 6 in the morning. 6 in the morning.
And what time do you get off work?
That's the up. We won't know until like 1 o'clock if we're gonna do about 10 hours to 12 hours. It'd be up and down.
All right, call us this afternoon. Zoom in this afternoon. You'll be doing the signing live, won't you?
Yes.
Zoom in this afternoon once you get that license at 1 o'clock. Zoom in at 1:30.
No, my appointment at the Secretary of State is at 1:30. I have to go up there and renew it.
Right. So as soon as you get the license, zoom in.
Okay.
She'll be on here at starting 1:30, or just call Miss Mathis, and then we'll dismiss the cases.
Okay.
True, you have a phone, you have an ink pen?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready.
313
313
965
965
2402.
20. Say that again.
2402.
2402. And then Miss Matthews.
Miss Mathis.
Miss Matthews. Okay. So just call her or Zoom.
Call her, and then she'll look the license up again. And if there's good, I saw your insurance and registration. We'll dismiss the cases, all right?
Okay.
All right. Have a very, very good day, sir.
You too.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lavender. Ms. Lavender, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
All right, she's going to continue her not guilty plea. She's waiving her jury trial rights, requesting a bench trial.
All right, that's what you want to do, Ms. Lavender?
Yes, it kind of looks like the best option because I have a job that I don't want to lose because I'm barely making it as is.
Okay.
All right. I will give you a bench trial date of October the 20th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. See you back October 20th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you. You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ms. Shanika Green.
Yes.
Did I get the pronunciation of your first name right?
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Shanika Green, case number SP 146-62691. Appearance for the record, please.
I didn't hear what you said.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Shanika Andrea Green.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. You have valid insurance, ma'am?
I had it, but it cut off because of the amount that I had to pay within 2 weeks. I had the LA insurance when you first get it, and then you have to pay another amount within so many days, and I couldn't.
All right. Absolute right to a trial. You need to get a valid license too.
I got driver's license.
I don't know about that.
I got driver's license. My license shouldn't be suspended.
Runner license, please.
Oh no. Now you about to have me put it up on Secretary of State. No, I have a license.
I would, if I was a betting man, I would bet that you did it. But we're gonna see.
I work in the medical field. I drive my client around. I make sure my
I'm all right. I'm just don't shoot the messenger. We'll see.
This is the only ticket that I have.
I just like to make people aware, but I could be wrong.
I work in the medical field. I don't have a record or a driver, no tickets. This is the only ticket that I have.
Okay. Dang. She rolled them eyes, didn't you?
That's an insult when you tell somebody what they don't have and they know their stuff.
I said I could be wrong.
But you are wrong.
Okay, I could be wrong. I hope I am. You don't have to take offense to it.
No, I'm going to take offense to it because you are a Black man talking to a Black woman and negatively.
I lost the bet. She's got a license. you owe, for a no insurance proof, $288, and a blocking traffic, $210.
From when?
How you can owe for that no insurance proof and still have a license, that's the first time I've seen that.
How long ago
That's
was the
why I
ticket?
said, pardon me?
How long ago was the ticket?
See, that's why I said that I don't believe you have a license. That ticket, because anybody that has a no insurance proof, no matter how long ago it was, doesn't, and they owe their reinstatement fee, they don't have a license. That was back 9/19, 2018. And the blocking traffic, I believe, was on the same day.
For what city?
For Detroit.
I don't even know what that ticket is,
All right.
but I have license.
I see that. See, she told me. All right, well, if you get some insurance, I'll dismiss the ticket. If you don't, then $240 fine, dismiss upon payment, amended to improper plate, and you have an absolute right to a trial. What would you like to do?
Improper plates? Hold on, improper plates.
Let me put you in a breakout room with the lawyer and they can explain
Please
things.
do. I only got one ticket that day. I don't know where no improper plates came from because my stuff is legit.
Well, it's not that legit.
Oh, it's that legit because I don't play with my license. The tickets you just
You
told me
don't
about,
have insurance?
I
You
don't.
said you don't have insurance? And you
Sweetie, my
drive
car
every
just got
day?
stolen. No, my car just got stolen.
I'm not gonna continue
It was
to
an
go back
situation.
and
It
forth.
was what it was, but I normally pay my stuff. I had
Join the
license.
breakout room, ma'am. Mr. Berry, is that your client?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Have fun. All right, Mr. Juan Gonzalez.
That is me.
Good morning to you, sir. It's the city of Detroit versus Juan Gonzalez. Case number SP 146-94401, SP 146-94411. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, this is Juan
Judge Ben
Gonzalez.
Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your name, sir?
Juan Gonzalez.
Mr. Gonzalez, do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, I do.
Can you show me the documentation, please?
My internet's a little choppy.
See. All right, let's see what that is. Hold on a second. I got Mr. Glenn crowding my screen here.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, no, all right, let's see what you have. All right, I see valid registration.
This is the insurance. Can you see that? Oh, wrong way. Sorry.
It's blurry. All right, there it is. So what's going on with this Honda?
My Buick had a radiator problem that day, and I used my second car to go to parts galore to grab a radiator out of a parts car, and that's when I got pulled over. The Honda is my project car, pretty much.
But you gotta have some insurance on that project car when you use it. I'm gonna dismiss, provide.
I was in a tight situation.
I'm gonna give you a one-time dismissal, Mr. Gonzalez, for providing valid documentation, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
Yep, you too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Timothy Teron Gibson II. Case number is SP 1468965, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Worthing, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your name for the record, sir.
Timothy Gibson.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial in the matter. Plead to the improper plate. That's an amended count. I know you probably didn't. You had a good plate, like she said, but that is an amended count from the insurance, or you plead to the loudspeaker ticket, either or. $240 fine, dismiss upon payment, absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room with Mr. Warburton, and you can speak to him about it. All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek another action date to allow her the opportunity to get the insurance.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Green?
Yes.
You still mad at me, Ms. Green?
Yes.
How long is it gonna take you to get this insurance, ma'am?
2 weeks. A week.
I won't be here in a week, so we'll give you. My wife's birthday, 9/18/2023.
Why would you do
Right.
that?
So nothing further, man. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
You're okay to leave?
What about Lakey?
Yeah.
I didn't forget about you. You thought I did. You gonna get mad at me like Miss Green?
No, I'm not mad.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lakey. Ms. Lakey, giving you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room. Mr. Berry, what does Ms. Lakey want to do? Or did we ever call these cases? We did.
We did call him, Your Honor, and again, we'd like another date. I think we have a date. We now have a trial date. She's prepared to return, and it would appear we're going to have that insurance matter resolved.
Trial?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
Trial on October 20th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right, Ms. Lakey?
Yes.
Have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
You too.
All right. All right. Gamble.
Yeah.
Keon.
Yeah.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Keon Gamble, case number SP14635-781. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gamble.
Keon Kai Gamble.
Man, that shit got here fast. Oh, it's only up the street.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. Gamble, you have valid insurance on this vehicle?
Yes, I do.
Can you show the court now, please? Let me, push it a little closer. Closer than that, I gotta see. Can you see that, Mr. Berry? I don't know why it's not clear. It's not
I'm sorry, I cannot.
All right, I see it. No ticket in here. All right, I see it, Mr. Gamble. I'm going to dismiss for providing valid documentation. Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much. You as well.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Jocelyn Elise Gordon, case number SP 1464131, SP 1464151. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Derry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gonzalez.
You said Gonzalez or
Oh,
Gordon?
Gordon. I apologize, Ms. Gordon.
Jocelyn Elise Gordon.
Thank you.
All right, today is the date and time set. Good morning, Ms. Gordon. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Gordon, you have valid registration and insurance?
No, I do not.
But I'll give you some time to get some valid registration and insurance. Will you be able to do that?
Yes, yes, definitely, because my vehicle caught on fire, so I'm really trying to figure out if it's actually repairable.
Okay, so can I get some more trial dates? Either set a trial date and I'm sure we can do something if you scrap the vehicle. Or
Can't scrap it because it's being financed. So it's no
say that
option to
again?
scrap it. My car is being financed, so I can't scrap the vehicle. I will have to give it back to the company.
Okay. Okay, that is unfortunate. Well,
October the 23rd.
yeah, $145 for the expired plate, and we will dismiss the other ticket. That's a 0-point offense, doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, and therefore doesn't carry any points. That's other than that, we can just set a trial and just have you back on October 23rd. If you get all the stuff taken care of by then, I'll still afford you the same dismissal that I've afforded everyone else. So either $145 will make it all go away, or take the trial date and see if you can get the documentation.
Can I pay that $145 next Friday? Or yeah, just coming Friday. Yeah, next Friday.
Certainly, I can give you that time. I can give you that time. You want to do that?
Okay. Yeah, I can do that.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counselor on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, so stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, find her responsible as charged to the expired plates, $145, and dismiss the misdemeanor. And you need when do you need this? How much time now?
1 week from today.
1 week from today.
So next Friday.
All right, I'm gonna give you until I'll give you until that Monday, the 28th. 8/28/2023. So if you have it, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or pay it, come on down to the courthouse and pay it. And I'm told you can upload that app to your phone, all right?
The key, that app to pay the
Yeah.
note, I mean, to pay the 145, I'm pretty sure I can.
Well, where is that outside voice, Miss Gordon?
I don't have an outside voice.
You don't have an outside voice? You're that soft spoken all the time?
Yeah,
You have kids?
no,
No kids? No
no
bad
kids.
nephews or nothing?
No bad nieces and nephews.
All right, you need to speak up a little bit.
If I get loud, I get loud. I don't want to get that loud.
There it is. I need you to get loud. I knew you had some kind of outside voice, but
Let me pick my
soft
phone up.
spoken and
Maybe
stuff. All right, and did any div that kiosk? That kiosk is in the Myers and stuff like that. Or I'm told you can upload that app to your phone. Or you can come on down to the court, grace us with your presence and pay it in person. All right.
Okay, I can do that.
All right. Have a great day, man. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you. You too.
Yes.
Officer McCree, he wants to say something.
McCree?
He wants to dismiss him. You're gonna speak to him?
Tell him, I don't know.
Okay.
He's in the room now. He's in the room. Good morning, Miss Officer Corporal McCree. I'm sorry.
Corporal McCree?
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How's it going?
I'm fine, sir.
Who do you have?
Michael Langdon. I did the lien and he renewed the plate so we can dismiss his case.
He's got kind of all kind of tickets though. You want to dismiss them all?
Well, just mine.
All right.
It should end 505, I believe it is, count one.
Yeah, but he's got also 5101, 5521, 5522, 5523. It's insurance and unregistered untitled. And I don't know what this other thing is. But I'm sure he won't object to that.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, then. If there's nothing further, I'll mark you down as a peer.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, Corporal, and be safe.
You too.
Thank you. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Jericho Joseph O'Quinn. The case number SP 118717991, SP 1426500. SP 1487051. Appearance for the record, please.
Ellis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. O'Quinn.
Is Jericho O'Quinn there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Jericho O'Quinn.
Let's see who you. Let's put a face to the name.
I'm trying to figure this stuff out.
All right, we'll pass the matter until you figure it out. All right.
Is it on now? It's on now.
It gets on quick then. It gets on real quick then. Let's say plead to the disorderly conduct. Do we have Mr. O'Quinn's file? Plead to the disorderly conduct, $240 fine. We'll dismiss the other two matters. You have an absolute right to a trial, all right? I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, is it?
Yes.
Speak to Mr. O'Quinn and let us know what you want to do when you come out of the breakout room, all right?
All right.
All right. All right. Mr. Warbling, is we ready on Timothy Gibson?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, after giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room, what's your client want to do?
I'll go with the
Judge, he
deal.
wants to waive his rights and take advantage of that offer, Your Honor.
All right, which one does he want to plead to? Either saying that he has, that you have the sounds up loud enough that somebody 10 feet away or more could hear him, or saying that he didn't have insurance on that date and time. Which one?
Didn't have insurance on that date and time, Judge.
Raise your right hand, sir. Please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down, sir. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Didn't know that, did you?
Oh.
A lot of people that like their freedom, that shocks them too, like, whoa. Yeah, that's the maximum possible penalty. You understand that now, sir?
Yeah, I understand.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Warbling went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yeah. Yeah.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, I understood them.
Any questions about those rights?
Yeah. I thought if I was to show you my proof of insurance, you would dismiss the case.
I'll do that. You got insurance?
Yes, I do.
But you still have the loudspeaker ticket. You wanna what do you want to do with that?
I was told if I was to pay the $240 for the insurance, you would dismiss that too.
Well, it's either or, you know. You got two misdemeanors, both of them have the same $240 fine. I told you I dismissed the insurance. I think Mr. Warbling just chose the insurance one to plead to. It really doesn't matter which one you plead to. Either one, I'm going to dismiss based on your payment. I still got to sentence you to the $240 fine, and I'll dismiss based on the payment. So which one do you want to plead to?
It'll be better to the loudspeaker, right?
I don't think it really matters. I think, Mr. Warbling, it doesn't really matter.
Okay, I'll plead
They're,
to
they're both misdemeanors. They're both $240 fine. And you know, I do dismiss for no insurance, but you got the loudspeaker. I mean, if you want to contest the loudspeaker, that's the way I can offer you to do. If you show me insurance, I'll dismiss. If you want to contest the loudspeaker, we'll bring a set of trial date, bring the officer in.
I'll show you my insurance.
Huh?
My insurance is.
All right, I understand. Go back in the breakout room and speak to Mr. Warbling again, okay?
Okay.
So he can give you a better understanding.
Okay. Sorry about that, Judge. I sure will.
That's all right. All right. Let's go back on the record. Let's go off the record with that. We do have, good morning, Ms. Schneider. We do have Langdon, who McCree, on the ones that McCree has, he checked in and he says that he's wanted to dismiss because he ran the lien.
Perfect.
And he has proper information. We have Glenn is here.
In 6 minutes, line number will be a dismissal unless we have anybody check in.
Okay.
But
right.
At 9:30.
Well, the clock is ticking for lineup. Is he gonna win? I know the lady won $1 million scratch off ticket on 7 Mile and Telegraph. I wish I was at that store.
$1 million scratch off.
I won't tell you how much I spent in scratch offs a couple of years ago. Try to get that 500,000. Never do that again. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. O'Quinn. Mr. O'Quinn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room. Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do?
We set a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Very well. That's what you want to do, Mr. O'Quinn?
Yes, sir.
All right. October 23rd, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, would that come in the mail?
Now, I'm sure it may, I don't know, but I know that I'm giving it to you now.
I'm trying to write it down. October 23rd?
Yes, October 23rd.
Okay.
If it's nothing further, Mr. O'Quinn, have a very good day. I'll see you on October 23rd.
All right, what time again?
9 a.m.
9 a.m., I got you.
All right, have a great day, sir.
You too.
Judge, I didn't want to interrupt before you call the next case. For Mr. Gibson, my understanding they were going to dismiss the 2 original charges and he would plead to improper play. Did I miss something on that, Your Honor?
No, I think that Mr. Gibson just didn't understand how it goes.
Okay, no problem. And then I think you did mention, and I could be mistaken, that it would be dismissed upon payment.
Yes, always.
Okay.
Yes, on those tickets on the improper plate. So, he's got to admit that he didn't have insurance on that day. I'll take it. I mean, you could either plead to the as charged, you can either plead to the ticket as it's written, or you can plead, the court will say you could plead to the amended count.
We'll probably do the original. Thank you, Judge. I'll be right back.
All right, very well.
Thanks.
Regina Golston.
I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Are you working?
No, sir.
City of Detroit versus. Now, will you get mad at me if I say you don't have a valid license and you do?
No, sir. I do not.
The City of Detroit versus Regina Golston, case number SP 109, strike that, SP 109 6389, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 109 63911, SP 125 4044, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 125 40631, SP 125 58971, SP 139 7526, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Golston.
Good morning, Regina Golston.
All right, today is the date and time. Yes.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
So we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I see Ms. Golston has 2 no proof of insurance civil infractions that have gone into default. I don't know if you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions. And up until today, I thought that any of these no proof of insurance civil infractions, no matter how old they were going to hold up your license. But somehow, some way, Ms. Green is the only person out of the thousands that I've seen that they didn't suspend their license for that no proof of insurance civil infraction. So what I will do, if you want to try to get a license, I will allow you to pay the reinstatement fee for these matters up front. That's just for you, Ms. Golston, all right?
Okay, yes, I can do that.
That'll be $45 a piece, $90.
Okay. How
Do
many
you have any
payments?
tickets in any other jurisdictions, ma'am?
No, sir. Not that I know
You've
of.
had a driver's license before.
No. First ticket that I did get, they kind of suspended my license, even though I didn't have them.
Yeah. Well, hopefully you can get a valid license. You come down to the courthouse, you're gonna have to come in person and pay these $45 reinstatement fee. In person, there's no better way I can tell you to do that.
No problem.
I'm gonna have you back on October 20th, 2023 for a pre-trial at 8:30. You're gonna come down, pay those two $45 reinstatement fees, and after you wait 48 to 72 hours to start the process of getting you a valid license, okay?
Okay, thank you. You said
All right,
October 20th
October 20th
at 9 o'clock?
at 8:30.
8:30.
8:30. If you're on at 8:25, then you'll probably, who's ever on first, I try to get out in the order that they came in, so keep that in mind, all right?
Okay, I have one more question, please.
Okay.
You said $45 payment, and I have to go where?
Then after you make those payments, wait 48 to 72 hours, and then go to the Secretary of State and try and start the process of getting your license, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'm not gonna guarantee that you'll get one, but just start that process and then come back on the 10/20. Now, what I will say is that if you can't get a license, then they should be able to give you a printout, and it should tell you everything that you need to know about why and things like that. All right. So get that documentation, and that way you can show it to us to let us know, all right, that you actually took some steps to do this. All right.
No problem.
But first, come down with the runner license. First, come down with the $45, and then wait 48 to 72 hours. There's nothing further, Ms. Goldston. You have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Okay.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, do you understand what's going on now, sir?
Yes, I understand.
All right, so let's go back and ask about those questions. You have an absolute right to a trial, right?
Right.
You know, Mr. Warbling went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, right?
Yeah.
And you know that if you understood those rights that he went over with you?
Yes, I have an understanding. Yeah.
I want you to have a full understanding. You understand those rights?
Yes.
And do you have any questions about them?
No.
Sure.
Yes, I understand.
And you know you're going to be giving up those rights once you take this deal, right?
Can you explain to me what the deal is?
The deal, which one does you want your client to plead to? The no proof of insurance?
No proof of insurance. Yes.
You want to plead to the no insurance? So here's the deal. You plead to the no insurance. Basically, you admit to saying, hey, I didn't have insurance on that day. And then I will amend the ticket from a no proof of insurance to an improper plate. And I do that because the improper plate doesn't carry any points. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. Right. And then once you pay the $240, while it's still a misdemeanor, but once you pay the $240, I'm going to dismiss the misdemeanor altogether. You understand where I'm going with that?
Yes, I understand.
So that would be the same as if you pled to the loudspeaker. Plead to the loudspeaker. It's no abstraction. It's no. It doesn't abstract. It doesn't carry any points. And I'm going to dismiss it anyway. So whenever you look up, if somebody ever looked at your record, they'll say, "Oh, he got a ticket for no insurance," but it's been dismissed. Once you pay it, though, you got to pay it to get that dismissal.
Okay.
All right. Now you got it.
I got it.
Any more questions?
No questions.
You know that you'll be giving up your rights once you take this deal.
Yes.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what we said we'll do today?
No.
Okay, let me draw your attention back to June the 7th, 2023 at around 5:06 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Gratiot and Maple Ridge, right up the street from your house, probably.
Right.
Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
No troubles. He had someone else pulled over, and I was going into the turning lane, turning home, and my music was loud. So I was turning home, and he stopped from what he was doing with the other person and followed me home.
So you had an occasion on that day to come encounter with him at some point, right?
Yes.
Okay, and you were operating a motor vehicle, correct?
Yes.
And I kind of chuckled because I read the notes that he had down here. What kind of speakers do you have in that GMC?
American based.
Some heavy ones, right?
Yes.
15s, 18s, what?
15. Two.
Because he not only said, because the statute says that if you can hear somebody's speakers from 10 feet away, then that's too loud. You know, he said that he heard you from 100 feet.
Well,
feet away.
He was like 2 lanes over. So
Well, you know, he could have heard you coming from down the street though, couldn't he?
Yeah, could have.
You know that. That's why you got him, isn't it?
No, that's not why.
That's part of the reason why back in the day, I had an expedition and I had 2 12s in there of, what were those 2 12s? They're JL Audio.
JBL.
No, they were, Orion or something like that. Yeah, anyway, they could probably hear me up 100 feet away too. So, did that officer ask you to produce valid insurance for this vehicle?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do so. You couldn't do so, could you?
I gave him my insurance, but it expired at the time. So, no, it wasn't
Very well.
valid.
Very well. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate. $240 is going to be the fine. I told you I'll dismiss that upon payment. With stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter.
Okay.
I'm going to set a review date just to make sure that this is closed out properly. When can you pay it, sir?
As soon as possible. I can pay it within the next 3 weeks.
That's
and I can get partial payments if
I'm
that
going to
helps.
give you come back on 9/18/2023. I'll give you 30 days, pay it, and come back and on that morning, make sure it's dismissed if you pay it. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit, or pay it bring money down to the court. I'm told you can upload that DivDad app to your phone, all right?
Okay, will I get a notice in the mail for the date?
No, I don't. You may, but I wouldn't rely on it.
Okay, so the 18th next month.
9/18. That's my wife's birthday. 9/18.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you. You too.
All right, thank you. All right. This is the city of Detroit. Is that Artisega Griggs?
I'm here.
Did I get the pronunciation correct, ma'am?
No, Artesia Griggs.
Artesia, I'm sorry. City of Detroit versus Artesia Griggs, case number 227-493521. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Griggs.
Artesia Griggs.
All right. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counsel.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Do not know why your client doesn't have valid driver's license.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I currently got like most of, I think this is my only ticket for Detroit, but like I have tickets in Hamtramck and Hazel Park, and it's about like $1,500. And I'm pregnant right now with my first child. I don't have a car or a job or anything right now to even just, to pay anything off or to get my license back. Like everything is really like on hold right now. So yeah.
Sounds like it's gonna be on hold too, huh?
I'm trying to get it off, but I'm just saying, like, that it just be hard. Like I wasn't even driving my own car that day. Well, I don't have a car, but I wasn't even driving. I was driving somebody else's car. And it just be hard out here. Like, the officer will see you got multiple tickets or something, and you trying to make it back and forth to work to even pay the tickets off, and then you get another ticket, and then you get another ticket. You know what I'm saying? Like,
That's why you get on the bus. That's why you get on the bus.
I can't get on no bus pregnant.
Why not? They'll let you get up. They'll let you get up in the front seat. Somebody's gonna get her seat up to you and everything.
That's not safe. That's not safe.
Huh?
That's not safe.
What do you mean not safe? Wait a minute. Where is this not safe from? When is the last? I got on the bus last year. It was perfectly safe.
You a man too.
And
I'm just saying, like, it be, y'all a little tougher than us. Like, I'm real.
I won't say that.
No, for real, because I'm real scary and everything. So I just can't see myself getting on a bus and then getting off the bus, have to walk somewhere the rest of the way to where I'm going. And that's not safe.
No, I don't buy that, man. You just don't want to do it.
I got on in high school. I used to ride the city bus every day, but it was different.
Now, did anything ever happen to you on the bus? You said you rode it every day in high school. Did anything ever happen?
Yes, on my way home from school.
What happened?
I almost got robbed or something. I don't know what was going on, but I ran.
And that's the only one time out of all the thousands of times you rode the bus, right?
Yep.
And you don't have no money anyway, right? You just said you don't have no money. So if somebody tries to rob you, then they're going to go on to somebody else.
Okay, then they might get other thoughts because I ain't got no money. Maybe those wasn't their thoughts. I don't know what it was.
You need to get this together, ma'am. I'll set a $240 fine, failure to display, amended count, or get a driver's license, I'll dismiss, or set a trial date. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barrett.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. Speak to him about it. Let us know what you want to do.
Okay. How do I go to the breakout room?
You see it?
Oh, yeah. Perfect.
All right. All right. Ms. O'Driscoll, I'm sorry. Ms. Lumley stepped in yesterday, but she didn't come in today.
Yeah, she's been trying to get her, good morning, Your Honor. She's been trying to get her court hearing changed. She has her grandfather's funeral for today.
I don't see her on the docket today, do I? Yes, I do.
Yes.
Okay. When does she want to come in?
She didn't specifically give me an exact date. I know her discharge date is, I do believe, January 2024. She has not paid her court costs and fines.
Has she been following the orders of the court?
Yeah, she just needs to pay court costs and fines. She has not paid anything towards those as of yet.
All right, tell her to put a date on it. She did step in yesterday, but she stepped right back out.
Okay.
All right, let us know what the date is.
I would just continue her to January of 2024.
Well, that's fine. I would consider letting her off sooner than that, but that's if she wants to come in and let us know, she can. So but tell her to come back next month.
Okay, is there a specific date?
18, 9/18. All right.
Okay. I
All
will
right,
tell her
thank you.
that. All right.
Sorry.
Thank you. It's okay. All right.
Have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
You too.
On the wing tech device, gentleman in the driver's seat of the car that I hope has a driver's license. What's your name, sir? Unmute yourself, please. We'll send him a.
Tyree C. Lewis.
Say that again.
Tyree C. Lewis.
Lewis, let's see. Oh, Tyree C. Lewis, Lamont, right?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. Oh, I have driver's license.
I hope so. You know, a lot of people tell me that. City of Detroit versus Tyree C. Lamont Lewis, case number SP 146-84201. Appearance for the record, please.
Judge, good morning. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your name, sir?
Tyree C. Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Do you have registration, sir?
Yes.
Let's see what you have, please. Got that ready. All right, I'm gonna dismiss or provide valid documentation. Nothing further, Mr. Lewis. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Unless you want to do something else, Mr. Lewis, your case is closed.
All right. I appreciate it. I'm good.
Have a great day, sir.
You too now.
Thank you. All right, let's move on. City of Detroit versus Jaya Lewis. Jaya Ajay Lewis. Where's Jaya Ajay Lewis?
I'm here.
All right, this is the City of Detroit. Mr. He's out. This is the City of Detroit versus Jaya Ajay Lewis. Let's see which cases we're going to call. Case number SP 125-9348, counts, thank you, 1, 2, and 3. SP 125-93511, SP 139-2269, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 139-8907, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 139-90091. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Ms. Lewis. Your name for the record, ma'am?
Jaya Lewis.
All right, Ms. Lewis, can I match a face with the name?
Yes,
Oh, there you are. How are you, Ms. Lewis?
I'm fine.
All right, I'm not gonna assume anymore because I think you were here earlier. Ms. Green got real mad at me, and I was wrong. She had a driver's license. You heard that?
Yes.
So, do you have a valid license, ma'am?
I do not.
Are you looking to get one?
Yes.
Do you have $90?
Yes.
Do you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
No.
Have the purposes of arraignment on the bench warrant, Counselor?
Judge, for purpose of arraignment, we'll stand mute and wait formal reading at this time.
Spoken or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, will give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna allow your client to pay these reinstatement fees up front. Hopefully she can get a valid license.
Thank you, Judge.
Lewis, you have an ink pen?
Yes. 1 second. Yes, I have one.
Write this number down, these numbers down, SP 12593483.
Okay, I got it.
SP 12593483, and then SP 13990091. Come down to the window, pay those 2 reinstatement fees up front, and hopefully, and wait 48 to 72 hours after you do that, and hopefully you will be able to engage the Secretary of State for a license.
Okay.
All right, come back on October the 20th. I need these files.
Which files?
Oh,
you need the files.
yeah. All right.
No, what you need.
All right. Hopefully come back on October 20th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. All right.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Let's see. Who was that iPhone left? iPhone left. So the next person is going to be Lionel. And who is JEDJ?
Hello?
Yeah, good morning to you. What's your name, sir?
Oh, sorry. My name is James Douglas Logan Jr.
James.
Yeah, I apologize for the username. I'm not familiar with this app, so I just use like.
No, it's fine. I just need to know your name. James who?
Sure. James Douglas Logan Jr.
James Douglas. James Douglas who?
Ligon.
Okay, Ligon. Okay, very well. All right. Good morning to you. All right.
Morning.
All right. That iPhone seems to have left. Let's go with Griggs. Let's go back on the record with Griggs. Ms. Griggs, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Berry in a breakout room. Mr. Berry, what does Ms. Griggs want to do?
We'd seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Griggs?
Yes.
All right. October the 23rd at 9 a.m. All right.
Okay.
When are you due?
November 23rd.
Okay. All right. That might fall on my dad's birthday, November 22nd. All right, good luck to you, man. I'll see you back, October 23rd at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a very good day.
You too.
Motorola Moto G, the young lady that's been laughing the whole time. What's your name, ma'am?
Phyllis Goodwin.
Phyllis
Goodwin.
Phyllis Goodwin?
Yeah.
She's been in here having laughing and all that the whole time and not even supposed to be here. Oh, she is. Good.
I don't supposed to be in court today.
Pardon me?
I don't supposed to be in court today.
No, you're supposed to be here.
Okay, okay.
All right, City, I play too much, don't I?
It's okay.
City of Detroit versus Phyllis Maria Goodwin, case number 217-355-911, 217-355-921. Appearance for the record, please.
And Werbling P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your name for the record, miss?
Phyllis Goodwin.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Judge will waive formal reading and stand mute.
Dinner or not guilty of any clients we have, give the client a $0 bond. Ms. Goodwin, you have this disregarding a red signal and an improper license. Do you have a valid license now?
No, I'm working on getting a valid license.
How long is it gonna take you to do that?
I have to clear up tickets in Detroit and Allen Park.
You shouldn't have any tickets down here to clear up.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
No, all you have is these 2 tickets. As a matter of fact, these are the only tickets you seem to have ever gotten in Detroit, except a parking ticket.
Oh, okay. Okay. So I got
Does that surprise you?
Say that again.
Does that surprise you?
Yeah, I thought I had more tickets.
How many times have you gotten pulled over?
A lot.
I guess they don't give you a ticket because you smile and laugh like Miss Mathis over here. She's always laughing.
Yeah.
I'll give you an opportunity to get the ticket, but the license, okay? It doesn't seem like you have anything to clear up here, but you already know that you have to go somewhere else. I'll give you to October 20th, but when you come back, make sure you have $175 with you. I'll amend this disregarding a red signal to a blocking traffic, all right? And that doesn't have any points.
Okay, thank you.
All right, October the 20th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Make sure if you bring a valid license, I'll dismiss that and I'll amend the red signal to a, but if you don't have that, then we have to have another conversation then, all right?
Okay, well, I'm gonna do the first one you said.
All right, have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you and keep that smile.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Yep. Line them. As happy as you can be. Is line them there?
I'm here.
Yes,
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, I'm
City
here.
of Detroit versus Renard.
Yes.
Case number SP 1232466 counts 1 and counts 2. And count 3, SP. One 3 0 0 499 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP.
Judge Marcus Wilbur, this is Jim.
1 2 3 7 2 6 0 counts 1, 2, and 3.
Just leave me a breather.
She's in there. I just didn't bring her in here.
You know the way. The judge and the jury. He must be waiting.
I do not know why this ticket did not get in the system.
Judge, is there anybody in the waiting?
These 2 tickets should have got it. Was Bria was in the way.
Yeah, that's her on the phone. Are you still in the waiting room?
18 449032 counts 1, 2, and 3. 18 449033 counts 1 and counts 2. 19 465 6401. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lynham.
Renard Lynham.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. So we have an officer, Genaw, G-E-N-A-W, Officer Pitts, Officer Elad, A-L-A-B-D, or Officer Ricky Hayes, Officer John K-I-O-U-S-I-S. Hearing no response, having not seen any of those officers and join the room, you want to make a motion, Tom?
That's my girl.
Hold on. Rhea, don't come in messing up my courtroom, please.
Your Honor, just to be clear, are we looking at Mr. Renard at the bottom of 9 o'clock?
Yes.
The docket reflects it's a pretrial on these matters.
Well, that's good. Let's also call SP 1365566 counts 1 and counts 2 then into that record. All right. Well, he may want to set a trial date.
Yes.
With all these open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, the way the allegations read, it would suggest that Mr. Lynham has a problem. Do you need some drug treatment, sir? Or alcohol treatment?
No, sir.
Of course not. We can either get you an offer or get you a trial date. What would you like?
Can you say what or a trial date?
An offer to plead to resolve this before I had a trial. You have.
So like, I'm confused on the offer.
You have 17 tickets.
No way.
You
Hey.
can either. Pardon me.
I thought it was only 4. I paid a few of my tickets off.
I'm not talking about what you paid. I'm talking about what you haven't paid and open cases that you have. You have 17, and I'm not even talking about the felony case or the other high misdemeanor case that you have. You have 17 cases in this court.
Right.
You can get an offer, and you can see what Ms. Snyder will offer you to plead to it today. You can either take that offer, or you can set a trial date, and we'll get some finality on it on the 26th of October.
I don't know what's the better option.
Well, I don't either. I'm gonna let you speak to Mr. Berry about it, and maybe he can help you figure it out.
Okay.
I say you talk to somebody in our drug and alcohol treatment program. Join the breakout room, sir.
All right, breakout room.
Ligon.
Yes, sir.
Douglas Jr.
Yep. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus James Douglas Ligon Jr., case number SP 141-44271. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your name for the record, sir?
Yes, sir. My name is James Douglas Ligon.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, counsel.
Judge will stand mute and wait for a reading for those purposes.
You have a valid license, sir?
Yes, sir.
Run his license, please. And are not guilty plea on your client's behalf, I'll give your client a $0 bond. We'll check the license. I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Ligon, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Lynn. Mr. Glenn, you there? Mr. Langdon.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Michael Cornelius Langdon. Case numbers. SP 127-84541. SP 145-2505. Count 1. SP 145-2510. 1. SP 1453552, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Langdon. Your name for the record, sir?
Michael Cornelius Langdon.
Good morning. Remove your hat, please.
I don't have a hat on.
Okay, that's Mr. Glenn. Langdon. So today is the date time set for a trial.
Judge, this is Officer Alexander. He's here on Rhea. He's in the breakout room.
She's here.
She's here. They'll be able to join us right. So, right.
As it relates to SB 127-84541, Officer Cummings, hearing no response. You want to make a motion, counsel?
For those reasons, judges, the date and time set for a bench trial, we move to dismiss.
All right, I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss no officer. On that, SP 145255051, SP 145255101, SP 1453552, counts 1, 2, and 3. Tickets were all written by Corporal McCree. Corporal McCree did appear. He indicated that Mr. Langdon got his proper, he ran his lien. Mr. Langdon's got the proper documentation. We'll dismiss, provide valid documentation. I will waive the warrant fee, and you will be responsible to pay any reinstatement fee. But I don't know if it's that 235 on that insurance. You'll just have to look up and see what you owe after that, sir. All right, you can check it out at the DIP. Looks like only one reinstatement fee, $45. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is Glenn open there? Is Glenn there now? Take your hat off, Mr. Glenn. Unmute yourself, please. City of Detroit versus Adrian Glenn. Case number SP 117823551, SP 117968881, SP 1189453, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1202314, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1263484, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1299421, SP 854568, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Adrian Glenn.
Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Adrian Glenn is here, Your Honor.
Ben Worming
How
on
are
his
you
behalf,
today?
Judge.
I'm good. I'm good. I was waiting on an attorney to put their appearance on the record. Today is the date and time. I'm very well. How about yourself, Mr. Glenn?
Hey, I woke up this morning, Judge, so I can't complain.
Yeah, that is the truth. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Corporal Bennett, I know, is here. You want to put your appearance on the record, Corporal Bennett? Sergeant Knapp is here. Corporal Rule is here. All right, Corporal Bennett is not responding.
I'm here, Your Honor. I'm sorry, I was in another courtroom.
All right, can you put your, good morning to you, Corporal Bennett. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal Darrell Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
I marked you as appeared anyway. I saw you on here. All right, I'm trying to pull out Knapp and Rule. They're not coming out. All right, let's go through it. Offer for Glenn, 1 failure to display, 1 improper plate, both of them $240 fines. Absolute right to a trial. That is the date and time set for a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Glenn with Mr. Warbling. Go over your advice of rights and you guys talk about how you want to proceed.
Okay.
Is Officer Rempe here? Officer Williams, you want to put your appearance on the record, please? Officer Hill, I'm sorry. Was that Corporal Hill? All right, let's pass the matter until we hear from Mr. Glenn. Let's go back on the record. There's 2 minor files. Oh.
Right.
Where is Glenn?
We have Adrian Glenn, he said this stuff. I've seen it.
Pass the matter. Let's go back to on the record with Mr. Lynham. Mr. Lynham, after giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room, counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Lynham seeks a bench trial date, and he would also, Your Honor, like to explore the court's program, the alcohol program. He'd like to meet with the case manager and see what he can see.
Very well. I'm glad he was taking that opportunity. let's get drug treatment court on the line, please. That's what you want to do, Mr. Lynham?
Yes, sir.
All right, very well. Let's give me a minute. I'm gonna get them on the line. They're gonna first have to see if you're even eligible for it. And if you are, I'll get you to speak with them, okay?
Okay.
I'm happy that you even considered that. Is that Brandon Lenore?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Hey, how are you this morning?
All right, very well. This is City of Detroit versus Brandon Lavelle Lenore. Case number SP 1449569, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lenore.
Brandon.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lenore, do you have valid registration and insurance?
Car is in my wife's name. Got it registered, and we did get insurance. I got the title right here.
Let me see what you, no, I need not a title. I need insurance. Let's see the insurance.
Carly, let me get your phone.
And I need to see the registration.
Registration of the car.
Pardon me?
Yes, sir. I gotta I'm gonna go registration out the car, but
You got the insurance. That's really the most important part. Let's see. It's not coming through clear enough, though.
Hold on.
Well, listen, what we'll do is you have to go get in the registration for this vehicle, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. When are you going to have that registration?
It's in the car. She about to go get it downstairs right now. Like I said, it wasn't actually in my name. It's in Carly's name, my wife.
I see that.
Yeah.
I see that. I just need to see valid registration. We'll dismiss the cases, okay?
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go get it right now.
All right. Marvin Owens, let's pass the matter until Mr. Owens comes, until he gets that information to us. Is Marvin Owens here? He was. I don't know what happened to him. That gets me to light. It's like light as a rock.
Hello.
She's probably too young to know. Good morning, Miss Light.
Good morning.
Is that Rihanna?
Yes. Rihanna.
Rihanna,
Yeah.
you've been here before.
I've been in her many times.
Why?
Because we was basically going through something because Hazel Park had a block on my name. I did take care of that. I had a court date for them yesterday. They made me pay, trying to make me pay $1,800, but I wasn't about to pay $1,800 for 2 tickets. So I had scheduled, I paid my bond with them and they ended up scheduling my court date for yesterday. But I did pay the $1,000. They gave me the option to pay $1,000. So I did pay the $1,000 yesterday. So I was just gonna wait like 48 hours so I can go get my license. That was stopping me from getting my license. Hazel Park.
So you got 1,000 of them. How much did you save for us?
How much did I save for y'all? Actually, you told me if I come back with my license and my insurance, you would throw everything away. That's why I was around everywhere paying all my
Let me
warrants.
see that file. I can't, I'm not gonna say, I didn't say that, but I can't
You
believe
did
it.
tell me that. That's the case. I wouldn't pay Hazel Park they 1,000. I would have paid y'all first and then went to go pay them. That's the case. Because I got a lot of things going on and I would have like sacrificed my driving freedom.
What type of things do you have going on?
Like I'm moving. I can't work right now. It's a lot of things going on. So I would have saved my little 1,000 for my house. If I knew you would have told me I couldn't clear my tickets if I get my license. That's what you told me. You the reason why I got on.
Do we have any other file for her? Because I have a lot of tickets here. City of Detroit versus Brianna Chardet Light, case numbers SP 1287729, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1287730, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1340108, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1340141, SP 1340151, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1417320, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1443762, counts 1, 2, and 3, and 227488061, 227488071. Appearance for the record, please.
O.S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Light.
Rihanna Light.
Your Honor, for purposes of the of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I'll enter her not guilty. I'll recall all the warrants. I'll enter her not guilty plea on her behalf and give her a $0 bond.
I got a question.
Wait, Ms. Light, just wait.
I'm so tired of going to court.
It says you failed to appear on July 11th. That's how those tickets went into warrant status. Had a pretrial date on 26th. That was rescheduled for the next date on the 27th. On the 27th, there was another pretrial date scheduled for July the 11th, and you didn't appear. All right, I have to see the whole file because I can't imagine that you're not going to pay anything down here.
I will. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm really tired of coming to court. So if you can make that option for me to come down there and pay, I will.
Well, we can get you an offer today.
Okay, that's cool.
But it's gonna probably, have you ever had a license before? No.
No, never had a license.
So that offer is gonna, I'm sure it's gonna affect you getting your license for a couple of years. That's why I was trying to give you this time to get that stuff taken care of, to see if you can get a license.
That's what I'm doing. I'd have been to the Secretary of State. I had to send a letter in so they can take that off my name because they said I couldn't get my license until 2026. So I had to send an appeal in. They sent me the paper back, and then that's when they let me know Hazel Park had a block on my name. So I went ahead of Hazel Park, paid my bond. They gave me a court ticket, a court date, They got my paperwork. I just paid them $1,000 yesterday.
I believe all of that. I believe all of that.
And I'm ready to pay you guys today too, because I'm really tired of court. For real, for real. I've been going to court with you guys for like 4 years since the pandemic. I ain't gonna lie. My court dates be so far apart, it'd be like 4, 5 months apart. Y'all just start putting them close.
We'll pass the matter and get her an offer. Like I say, you know, I gotta believe that there's gonna be some abstraction on there, some things, and that's gonna affect you, I'm sure, moving forward. But we'll get you the offer to close it out, or I'll set a trial date for October the 26th, and then you can try to sort everything out by that time. And then we'll definitely have some finality in all this stuff on October the 26th. But that's up to you. Speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room. Join the room, please. Gant. City of Detroit. Where's Lenore? Oh, let's go back on the record with Lenore.
I'm right.
Excuse me. All right, let's see. Let's see. Now that is accurate. Let's see the date that thing has, because that's issued 6/8/2023. Okay. All right, I'm gonna call it good. We'll dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
Thank you, sir. Have a good rest of the day.
You have a better one. Thank you. All right, let's move on. Light is talking to Mr. Berry. City of Detroit versus Bria Monique Gann. Case numbers SP 109 7131, SP 1278777, count 2. SP 1380627, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1461750 SP 1209287 SP 1380627. Already called that. Ma'am, you gotta be quiet, please. SP 1423757, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 167481. Let me see what these other ones say. All right, she got 3 more tickets already. Since these cases have been, all right, appearance for the record, please.
Corporal Croxton, Detroit police officer, badge 665.
Good morning, Corporal Croxton.
Good morning, Judge.
I have, I know, is that Corporal Turner? He was here, is he here now? This Corporal, Turner a corporal or an officer?
He's a corporal, sir. I'm texting him now.
Yeah, that's all right. I think he's here. He got his offer. They put the offer in the chat. All right, here. I know that I have Officer Alexander was here. Corporal Alexander, I'm sorry. You want to put your appearance on the record, Corporal Alexander?
Hey, how you doing, sir? Corporal Alexander.
Badge number department.
I'm sorry, sir.
Badge number and department, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. Badge number is 110.
Very well. Detroit Police.
Yes, sir.
All right, the offer for Miss Gant is going to be contingent upon her taking the driver's course. That is a failure to display and a blocking traffic. Failure to display is a $240 fine. It will abstract to the Secretary of State, but it won't carry any points. A blocking traffic is a $175 fine with no abstraction, but she needs to take the class. $175 plus $240. I'll waive the warrant fees. She'll pay any reinstatement fees. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Warbling to go over that off.
Okay, sir.
No, that's for Miss McGann. Join the breakout room, please.
There you go. I'll pull in there.
Jalen White, the Officer White is not here. let's go past that matter. And let's go back on the record with Ms. Light. Ms. Light, after giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel.
I did call.
All right. After giving you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Berry in the breakout room, Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Light will have all of these matters set for the trial date of October 26th.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Light?
Yeah.
All right, don't roll your eyes at me.
No, I'm looking at this fly above my head.
Well, I roll the eyes at the fly. I'll roll the eyes at the fly. Don't roll the eyes at me, though. I didn't do anything.
I didn't roll my eyes at you. I don't have a problem with you. I actually appreciate you.
All right. All right. I appreciate you too. Don't miss this court date, though. All right. Come back 26. Best of luck to you on that quest to get that driver's license. All right.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Have a great day, ma'am. Save up some money for us too.
I got plenty of money for y'all.
I see what all that jewelry and gold on you have. Have a great day. Be safe.
You too.
All right, where are we at with Glenn? Did you go in the breakout room with Gant? She's waiting on you, Mr. Warbling.
Yes, I did, Judge. I know it's a trial. There's 10 matters. I only overheard something about the driver improvement course, and I know there's some officers here, so I didn't know what the offer
failure to
was.
display and a blocking traffic.
Okay. Okay.
And if she wants to take care of those 3 tickets that she got since then, she'll get another blocking traffic 175. We'll dismiss the other ones as well, but she's got
But
to
right now,
take the
okay, but right now it's FTD and blockading.
and give her the class and my email address as well too,
Okay.
please.
All right. And I did speak with Mr. Glenn, but I can come back on that.
Are we ready for Mr. Glenn?
We're ready on Mr. Glenn. Yep.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Glenn. Mr. Glenn, after giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room, counsel, what's your client want to do?
But he wants to waive his rights. He would take advantage of the offer at this time.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Glenn? Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. That's all I could take, and about the address line, or I will be
You're breaking up. You're breaking up.
I'm sorry. It's I guess it's the towers that I'm passing, I guess. But yes, I want to take advantage of the offer. But, can you please put in somewhere I can get?
I can't hear you. You're breaking up. I heard him that he said he would like to take advantage of the offer. Now he's out.
Muted now.
Can you hear me?
How you doing, Corporal Rule?
Good morning. How are you?
I marked you as a peer. Do you want to put your appearance on the record, please?
Sure. Corporal Rule, badge 3896, Detroit Police. What was the offer?
The offer was an FTD.
I'm sorry.
Hold on a second. FTD and improper plate.
Okay. He still doesn't have a license, but I was just wondering.
He's not driving though. I think he's in the passenger seat today.
Okay.
Yes, I am. I'm not driving today because I don't need no more tickets. I'm trying to get licensed now. But...
All right. Well, can you
hear me? The phone is acting up.
The phone is acting up, so you're breaking up. So until you can get a better connection, I'm going to have to pass this. Go ahead, Mr. Warbling, in the breakout room with Ms. Gant.
Gant.
I don't see it coming up yet, Your Honor. Go to
No,
breakout.
no, I'm waiting on you to get to, you know, you have to get into a stable place because it looks like the car is moving and it's just coming through all broken up. We can hear every other word of that.
I'm driving with my boss now, going to a job. I'm sorry. Earlier I was at.
I understand that. I'm bearing with you, but just sit tight for a minute, all right?
Okay. All right, we're pulling right here. We're pulling in to stop as we speak, man. I'm sorry. Okay, I've stopped. I'm out to see out the car, see if we can get a better session. Now, can you hear me good now, Your Honor?
I can hear you now.
Okay, yes, I would like to take advantage of the offer. And I would love some help on getting me a driver's license that I'm still trying to get and can't get because I can't get a legit birth certificate.
Oh, you didn't have a birth certificate?
Yes, and they still telling me to this day. I had a driver's license. It had my CDL Class AT endorsements on it. I got it 29 years ago. When I got married, this is what they sent me from Lansing, and when I sent in for my birth certificate. So I couldn't do anything else until recently. They told me I needed an up-to-date birth certificate to get my driver's license back. But I can't because Lansing don't have any knowledge of able to send me a birth certificate. Only thing they can send me is that I've tried to, I've paid for it, but the only thing they can send me back is a duplicate. And this is what it says, Your Honor. It says, this is an official statement that no birth record could be identified for the person named below, which is me. I have a social security card, I have a name, I have everything. I've presented to them, and they still say they cannot find a birth certificate for me. And due to that, I cannot get a driver's license. Now, recently, I did pay up tickets, get a car put in my name, get plates, get insurance, but still no driver's license. They let me do all that, but I still can't get my driver's license.
Yeah, they'll let you buy a car. That doesn't mean they'll give you authorization to drive it. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to say. It's not. You were born in the city of Detroit?
To my knowledge, yes.
He needs a lawyer.
Pardon me?
He needs a lawyer.
Yeah, you need a lawyer. I would say that Mr. Berry is right.
I just sent the last and I give them all the information that I'm capable of giving them.
Forget the guy's name I had that was helping people get birth certificates. But you want to take this deal, sir?
I do. I take the deal.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine for these tickets?
I understand.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
I understand.
You can turn your camera off now, sir, and maybe that'll help with the transmission of the communication. You understand, Mr. Warbling went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Did you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, when you take this deal, you'll be giving up those rights?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 19th, 2021 at around 1:38 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of West Chicago and Fitzpatrick Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was operating a motor vehicle.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
And I couldn't produce one.
Because your license is suspended, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes, he did.
Well, let's just say this. Was there something wrong with the plates on this vehicle?
No. Well, nothing wrong with the place. I just could not give the license or the insurance he required because I didn't have it.
It was nothing wrong with the plates or on the vehicle? Well, let's say this. You didn't have insurance, right?
Well, then that means the place was something wrong with the place, then, Your Honor. Yes, sir. Yep, that's the case, then.
What was wrong with the place?
I'm trying to think about what car I had to be. It wasn't registered.
2008 Saturn.
They wasn't registered, and I was trying to get it registered. Well. That was the time they told me I.
Very well. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display. That is going to abstract to the Secretary of State, but it won't carry any points. That's a $240 fine. And I'm going to find you guilty as charged to the improper plate. That's a $240 fine. That does not abstract, therefore it doesn't carry any points, and I'll dismiss that upon payment. With stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters for the reasons stated on the record. I'll dismiss the other matters for the officers that have appeared for further plea, and I will dismiss the other matters for the officers that haven't appeared for no officer.
So stipulated, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Werbley.
Okay, 240 plus $240. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You're going to be responsible for paying your reinstatement fee. When can you pay it?
And what you said $240 and the reinstatement fee?
Plus, it looks like you have at least 2 reinstatement fees plus 90. That'd be like $570. Sounds like.
Oh boy. If I could set up a payment plan, we can get it paid off all at once. I won't be able to do it all at once, but it can get paid.
I'm going to give you 30 days. You set that payment plan up. I'm going to give you till 9/18. And by that time, you'll be able to come down and either pay it off or set that payment plan up with the court. Okay? Come back on 9/18 at 8:25 in the morning. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck.
No, excuse me, sir. I wanted to. The lawyer had informed me also that community service was on the floor for the matter also.
Yeah, you want to do some community service?
Yes, I relayed to him I would do the community service for the payment.
All right, give me 24 hours of community service. That'll take care of the $240 fine.
Thank you.
You want to do that?
Oh, and I'm sorry, I don't mean to disturb. I need to add something too. Our last encounter we had, you gave me some information to go and take a class. I went on the computer and I did that and I paid for the class, but I couldn't proceed because it wasn't an order number I didn't get from you guys to proceed with that.
All right, well, I hope you take the class anyway. I don't know what you're talking about, order number, but
they took it was after I paid for it, it came down with numbers. I guess it's numbers on your sheets that you would give to court when you tell them to go places to take, to go to school like you did. I guess it's a form with a number on it. And I didn't have that form with the number on it to proceed. And when I asked about it, it said the numbers, it jots down to why are you coming here from disorderly conduct, drunk driving, or things like that. So that's one of the reasons.
I don't know. I'm not affiliated with the site. It's just the site that I use because it was cheaper than the other site.
Yes,
so
sir.
It's not really of any consequence now. You got your deal.
Okay.
And what you'll do is I need a good phone number from you.
That phone number will be 313-772-1667.
All right. You want to do 24 hours of community service? You're going to have to get in contact with Miss Green. You have to take this number down.
I'm doing it now, Miss Green. Miss Green. Okay, I'm ready, Jan.
313-965-8130. 313-965-8130. We'll send a referral over to Miss Green. Miss Green should contact you, but if she doesn't get in touch with her, come back on 9/18 and let us know what kind of progress you've made.
Sure will, Your Honor. And thank you for your time. And tell the missus I said happy birthday on that day.
Well, you'll be here. All right, I will.
Thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too. You have a good one.
All right, you too. All right, Case Manager Griffin, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
I have Mr. Lynham here. Does he qualify?
Yeah, he don't have
I'm here,
anything in
sir.
his-
I'm here.
He don't have anything in his criminal background that will exclude him.
All right, we'll put you guys in a breakout room. Join the breakout room, speak to the case manager, and he'll discuss the program. Don't hesitate to ask him any kind of questions you need to, Mr. Lynham.
Okay.
All right, that brings me down to, all right, Gant is in there talking to Warbling. Lacey, Makia Lacey.
Makaya.
Makaya, I'm sorry. Makaya Desiree Lacey.
Yes.
This is the city of Detroit versus Makaya Desiree Lacey, case number SP 1403301, SP 1448311, SP 1469495, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1469499, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1469546, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Miss Lacey.
Makaya Desiree Lacey.
All right. Good morning to you, man. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. See what happened with Miss Lacey the last time she was here. Is this your first time seeing me, Miss Lacey?
Yes, last time I supposed to came into court and you wasn't there, so I talked to a lady and they put us in a court in a room.
Do you have a valid license, ma'am?
Yes.
Run her license, please.
And show my license?
No, I'm gonna run it.
Oh.
Oh, you don't have, it does have driving while license suspended. What about registration and insurance? Do you have that?
Yes.
Let's see what you have.
Here go my registration.
Hold on. Very good.
And here go my insurance.
Push it closer.
What's
Now
my
you
card?
had it. Now push it closer. Push it closer.
Oh, push it closer.
Let's see what that says. What's that expiration date on there?
12/08/2023.
That's what I thought I saw. And she has a valid driver's license. You went and took care of business, or you always had this stuff?
When they pulled me over, they took my car and I went to go got it the next day. But I didn't pay for the missing bumper and the dent in my door. But I paid for everything else that they gave me the ticket for. And I got a new plate.
Did Miss Mathis tell you to come in and bring that stuff in the next time?
Mm-hmm.
She did?
Mm-hmm.
Did Miss Mathis tell you when you came to court to bring that stuff in?
Yes.
So you prepared. All right,
Yeah.
what about this, you say, did you ever get the bumper fixed?
No.
Is there a windshield bad too?
Yeah, I got a crack at the end of my windshield.
You want to pay $105, ma'am, and we'll close all this stuff out?
Yes, I could pay that. What's today? I could pay that tomorrow, Friday, when I get paid.
These young people come in and you come in and you come prepared and you brought your insurance, registration. I have people that are 2 times your age, 3 times your age, and it just, I don't know. And then you got money. You say, I can pay that tomorrow.
I don't got no money or no job. I'm just my mama. I babysit my sister, so she paid me tomorrow.
Hello?
Well, you got something. You got a job. If you can get some money.
$100 a week. That's not a job. That's not nothing.
Well, why don't you get a job?
Because every time I get a job, my mama she worked too. So she worked in the morning. So I'll be having to babysit my sister. And every time I get a job, she just asks me can you please just stop for a minute and then babysit her and I'll pay you. And I'll do it to try to help her.
I know child care is very expensive, but
I tried to get child care so they could pay for the state, but they denied my mama.
What I hear from you is that you're willing to work, you're willing to do these things. You're not just sitting back and you're saying, oh, I can't find nothing, Judge. I can't do this. I can't do that. And then you have your documentation together. So however you're doing it, I applaud you for doing it.
Thank you.
You have a high school diploma?
Yes.
Yeah, whenever you're ready, I would be happy to give you any kind of resource I have for a job whenever you're ready to do that, all right?
Okay.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket, this is for the no registration, $105. stipulate to the face of the ticket as an factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
I'm gonna dismiss
Judge
the
Perkins.
case. Yes, hold on a second. I'm gonna dismiss, I'm gonna find you responsible. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna dismiss them all.
Thank
you. You provided valid documentation. You came here prepared. You came in here ready to take care of your responsibility. You're a young lady, and you have registration. So I know that the defective equipment is a ticketable offense. Just try to get the stuff fixed on your vehicle. All right, I'll save you that money to get the stuff fixed on your vehicle. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you, Miss Lacey. Have a very good day.
Thank you. You too.
Who was that was calling me on the? Who's that calling me on the phone?
Good morning, Judge Perkins. This is Richard Lynham Randolph. I couldn't download the app, so I called in this morning and they gave me this number. So I just been sitting on the phone. I can't see nobody or nothing like that.
Richard Lynham
Randolph. Randolph, Lynham Randolph, sir. My last name is hyphenated.
Okay. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you, sir.
All right. Now, who are we ready on? Who are we waiting on? That we've already. All right, Long. Let's go Gant. Let's go Gant. Let's go back on the record, Miss Gant. Miss Gant, giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel.
Yes, sir.
Miss Gant, what's Miss Gant want to do?
Judge, she wants to waive her rights and take advantage of the offer. And with the other matters, I did give her the website for the Better Drivers course, although I wasn't able to give her the email address, Your Honor. But she wants to go forward with the plea today.
That what you want to do, Miss Gant?
Yes, sir.
All right, you got these other 3 tickets. I'm going to add another blocking traffic to that for $175 if you want to take care of. That'll take care of the other 3 tickets. You want to do that?
Yes.
Or you can set up a hearing date and take care of them on another date if you want. What do you want to do with those?
Well, I was trying to talk to you yesterday. I can't work due to my background. My next court date for that is next month to see what they gonna do. And that's the last time I talked to you when I went to the interview. It's been hard for me to get a job due to my background check because they see me as a threat and I'm not for something so old. So I've been having a hard time working. I kind of going through it right now. And that's why I was trying to call you and talk to you and let you know and ask you, can I get more time? Because I still have took care of the other city yet and for Lincoln Park either. Because I'm trying to find income and it's hard for me right now. And I still haven't brought my kids enough for school. My kids go to school on 28th, so I'm kind of going through it right now. So I was trying to find all types of jobs I can go to, whatever.
Well,
these
agreement, if you take this deal today, you'll be able to
Yes, I could take the deal today. That's why I was just letting you know. I want to let you know that.
You want to let me know that you're taking care of business now.
Yes.
I appreciate that. And the offer was one FTD and I'll say 2 blocking traffics. And that'll take care of the 3 tickets that you got in July. So that's 240 plus 175 plus 175, plus you gotta take that driver's course.
Okay.
All
You
right?
said 248 or 258?
No, the 240 plus 175 plus 175. Got that?
Yep, I'm writing it down right now. 240 plus 1.
All right, raise your right hand, please. You're not writing it down. You're putting it in your phone.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. That's what I was doing.
Y'all don't write anymore. Everything goes in the phone now. Do you swear or affirm? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, ma'am. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Warbling went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, I don't, but I do have a question. Do I go in Secretary of State and pay those fees, or I go 36? I go on 36 District Court.
36.
Okay.
You know, once you take this deal, then you will be giving up those rights. You know that?
I don't even go to court for real. My mom will be helping me. I don't know what I'm talking to. I ain't gonna lie to you, Judge. I don't even know what you asked.
Mr. about this stuff in the breakout room?
Yeah, I know about the court dates. I know about the fees. I know about that stuff, but anything else, like I don't know about for real. I don't go to court.
We discussed your rights, correct, Ms. Gant?
Excuse me?
We went over your constitutional rights, and if you wanted to go forward, you'd be waiving those rights. You understood that when we discussed the trial?
Oh, yes,
burden,
yes.
proof?
Yes.
All right. So did you understand that stuff you went and talked to Mr. Warbling about?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know you'll be giving up those rights once you take this deal.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what we said we'll do today?
No.
Okay, very well. Let me draw your attention back to July the 27th. No, strike that. July the 7th, 2021, at around 2:56 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Nottingham and Frankfurt. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No, because I didn't have one.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. I'm going to fine your client $240 for that. As it relates to the civil infractions, will you stipulate to the faces of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for those responsible, please, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
And with those stipulations, ma'am, I am going to say that you owe 100. So I'm going to find you responsible for the 2 counts of amended counts of blocking traffic. They will $175 a piece. They will not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore they won't carry any points. Now, to make this all, wrap this all up, you have to take that better driver's course. You know that?
Yes, sir.
All right, when are you gonna have the money paid and the course taken?
I'm gonna try to come up with the money today, right now, actually. As soon as I get off the phone with you, I'm gonna try to make sure I say.
And then come back, when can you finish the course?
I'm gonna try to do all that today. I'm gonna try to do everything today, tomorrow, before my
Can
kids
you have
go
it
to
all
school.
done by September 7th?
Yes, I can make sure that.
Come back September 7th at 8:25. Take the course. I'm gonna put my email address in the chat. Take a screenshot of that and send me the course, send me proof that you took the course. The stuff is paid. We'll close all this stuff out, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, and I don't have to tell you to not get in any more trouble, do I, Miss Gann?
No, I have not even been driving since the last time I got flicked. I've been catching a bus. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, I mean, that's what you should be doing. I don't know
It ain't that,
what
because all the times I got flicked was picking somebody up. It wasn't because of my own reason. It was to pick somebody else up, and I learned my lesson. I ain't gonna cap. And it happened more than one time. So they had me ticked off. So I've been catching the bus. I ain't gonna lie to you. I've been catching the bus, driving everywhere. I be privileged drive.
Who was that young lady that didn't want to catch the bus? Talking about it's dangerous. That's just
Oh
an
no, I
excuse.
catch the bus all day. I grew up on catching the bus before I got a car, so that ain't nothing to me.
All right, come back on the September 7th. I'll put my email address in the chat. Send me that proof that you took the class ahead of that, and we can get you in and out, all right?
Yes, sir.
Have a great day, man. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Our officers, have a very good day. Be safe out there.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lyman.
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Lynham, how was the conversation with Mr. Griffin? Mr. Griffin, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Brian Griffin on behalf of Specialty Court this morning.
All right. How was the conversation with Mr. You don't have to tell me the details of the conversation, Mr. Lynham, but how did you feel about the program?
Well, he explained to me exactly how the program worked, but considering that I have another case, he informed me that I should see what's going on with this case I got first before I try to make a decision on what to do about this program.
Okay. And Mr. Griffin, what about him just setting a trial date? Because that's what we were initially going to do, set a trial date. And even if he gets found guilty, I can sentence him and he can still come over to the program, right?
No problem. He just wanted to see what was going to happen with his felony case. I believe he have a court date with Judge Sabri tomorrow, and he just wanted to see was it going to get bound over or not. But no, Judge, that would be perfect.
All right, you want to do that? We'll just set a trial date because I see it's some old stuff here that probably, I don't know if those officers are around or if they'll ever recall. So some of that stuff may be dismissed just because of that. And why don't you come back on strike that, October the 27th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay, that sounds fine.
All right, if there's nothing further, we'll set all the matters for that date, and then we'll get some resolution on that date. And if you still want to entertain, we'll get Mr. Griffin or one of his team members in here to get you into the program.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lynham, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
All right, you have a nice day too.
Thank you.
All right, Judge, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Griffin. I'll see you soon.
Okay.
There's another line. This is Mr.
Richard Earl Lynham Randolph, sir.
Are you any relation to Mr. Bernard Lynham?
No, but you might know my uncle. He was a Lieutenant Calvin Lynham. Worked at Mile for years. He just retired, my uncle.
He knows your uncle?
Huh?
You said he knows your uncle?
No, I said you might know my uncle. His name is Calvin Lanham. He's about he just retired. He was a lieutenant at Mile. He retired probably about last year. He's about 66 years old.
No, I don't know your uncle. That was Lynham on the line. Renard Lynham.
No, he's no relation, sir. If he is, I don't know him.
This is City of Detroit versus Richard Lynham Randolph, case number SP 142-77731, SP 145-3686, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lynham Randolph.
Richard Earl Lynham Randolph.
Today
Your
is
Honor,
the date time set for show cause. Go ahead, counsel.
we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. And do you have valid registration and insurance, Mr. Lynham Randolph?
Actually, Judge Perkins, when this incident happened, I had lost my job, so I wasn't able to get the crowd. So I didn't even get the crowd when they took it. I just took a loss on it. So I haven't been driving. So I never was able to get the crowd. They gave me a deadline on it, and I didn't make the deadline. So the car got forfeited, and I never got it back.
Okay, so do you have a vehicle in your name now?
No, sir. I'm not driving right now, but I do have valid license. But I just still don't drive. Been getting dropped off.
Either
but I don't have my own car.
amended count of improper plate, $240 fine, or absolute right to a trial. We'll get him a trial date. Speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room and discuss it. All right, he'll explain everything to you. And I'll dismiss upon payment. I'll dismiss upon payment. He's in the room, Mr. Berry. Who is this? Alejandro Julian Guerrero. He was here yesterday.
Oh.
I didn't.
Oh, okay.
That was yesterday. This guy here was here. He's got a show cause again. He did. I don't know. Was here. Officer Woods.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. Who are you here for?
Good morning, sir. I'm here for Mr. Gilmer.
He never showed.
No, sir.
All right. Well, so we'll just show call. We'll put a bench warrant out for him. I'll mark the file as here. Let's call the case City of Detroit versus Ladanian Gilmer, case number SP 142-48471. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Worthing, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Officer Woods, good morning to you. Can you state your name, put your appearance on the record, please?
Thanks, sir. Officer Jeremy Woods, badge 492, Detroit Police.
Okay, we'll no Mr. Gilmer today. He didn't appear, so we will put a bench warrant out for his arrest. All right. There's nothing further. You be safe out there. Have a very good day.
Thank you, sir. Take care.
You too. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lynham. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lynham Randolph. Mr. Lynham Randolph, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Berry in a breakout room. Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Mr. Lynham?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on.
It's something else. It's something
Yeah.
else happened, man. But I'm not here. It's something else that happened, but I'm not here to make excuses because I know you ain't got time for all that.
No, I'm not.
It is what it is.
We'll discuss that when you come back on October 27, 2023. All right.
Okay.
Make sure you run that by your lawyer. All right. On that date.
Okay. You said October 27th.
October 27th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay. Thank you, Judge Perkins. You have a blessed